Yes here. Welcome back to my channel. We're back with another TikTok DIY, which I'm super excited about. We're gonna be making this super cute, trendy top that you've probably been seeing all over the socials, and we're gonna be making it out of a t-shirt. So you can either use an old t-shirt that you already have, or I'm gonna show you the t-shirts that I got at Walmart because I feel like the material of these is just like perfect. And we're gonna be making several different bandos. I know you guys enjoyed my last TikTok DIY where we made these super cute jeans. They're like mom style jeans from Men's Jeans, and they were only like 12, 13 bucks. So anyways, if you guys are ready for today's DIY, don't forget to subscribe, and let's go ahead and jump right in. All right guys, so today we are going to be transforming these big guy t-shirts into super cute and trendy little tops and bandos. I picked these up at Walmart for 3 bucks. Okay, so I've actually already made one and I made a few mistakes, so I'm gonna show you how not to make those mistakes. Here you can see that we have the hem. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with the ruler and do out here, cut outside so that we don't have the hem on our straps because it was not cute when I did it. All right, and then you wanna make sure to have some good scissors. These are actually fabric scissors. So good scissors are key, otherwise you're gonna have a messy cut. And then you're gonna make sure that it's like lined up. So as you can see, I added some safety pins just to make sure that it's lined up all the way and I do a really clean cut. There we go. So we have our straps here. Okay, so now we're gonna be taking this part off. The first time I left this in there and it was just looking really homemade. So I'm just gonna go along the line and just remove that. And now we're gonna go ahead and measure here, like right here, because we're gonna use all of this. And we're trying to use as much like fabric as possible, I guess. So just kind of put like a rough draft line here. And then that should even out. Perfect. So then we're gonna go ahead and split this in half. If you wanna use this whole part of the shirt for your top, like if you have a bigger chest and you think that all this fabric is necessary, then go ahead and keep it like this. But I am able to make 2 shirts, well, like 2 bandos out of one. I hope this is making sense, you guys. I feel like maybe you just wanna follow along. Okay. Also, this type of material is the best type, in my opinion, to do this kind of shirt because I tried it on a cotton shirt, and on a cotton shirt that's not stretchy, if you mess up the cut, it's gonna be really obvious, and I feel like this one kind of rolls up so you can't really tell if you do have a little mistake there. Okay, so this part is completely optional, but if you want to add a little bow to one of your bandos, you can also cut a part of the sleeve here. So now we have our 2 pieces. I'm already obviously wearing this one, but I'm gonna show you with the orange one. So we already have this one, we have this, and then we have the bottom part below the hem. So obviously it's like a full thing, so you just wanna go ahead and cut one of the sides. And we're gonna cut that hem off. So it's here. And then this is what we have. Okay, so let me show you some of the mistakes that I made when I first recreated the TikTok, and the shirt just looked super like DIY'd. So that's why I decided to do a YouTube video, because 1 minute wasn't enough to tell you guys all of this. But okay, so you see how we have the hem here and then the hem over here, right? And you also have this. You might want to take that off. And then there's Michael on his computer, right? Because this is where the shirt goes like that. We're gonna go ahead and go like this so that the hem parts are in the middle, so that those are behind us and not on the side. We're gonna wrap it around like that. Take your strap, you're gonna put it in here. Throw that over in here. Go up here. And you can start to see the shape forming. Okay, so this little part right here is the other side of the hem, so we're just gonna make sure that when we tighten that up, it stays tucked in there. You can kind of see the shape that we already have going on, and that's pretty much it. So, hello, that's so cute. Honestly, this color is also really cute, such a vibe. And so then there's like several different ways that you can tie it. You could tie it like that, which is just like the way that I have it tied. Or if you wanted to tie the whole thing like this and do one of those. Like, the options are honestly endless. Endless options. And then okay, so it's like kind of on, kind of not on. Remember I told you to cut off the sleeve of the shirt? Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and take off the hem part. And then we're gonna go ahead and leave this in just because it's already in there. And we're pretty much gonna do the same exact thing, but except for we're gonna wrap it around twice. Makes sense. And then we're gonna tie it. It's kind of big, so you might want to chop off the excess. Let me take this out now. Okay, voila. So now we have this little moment right here, okay? And then you can obviously tighten it as tight as you want. You can even tighten it all the way to the point that it's like, let me see, like even like that. Does that make sense? So you can have a little hole in here, or again, if you want to do the whole, just cover it up like that. You also can do that. You can also use the other side, go inside and make a little bow. So here's this, again, so cute with my DIY Walmart mom jeans. I mean, hello. There's another option. Like, the options are endless. And the cool thing about it is that because these shirts are so inexpensive, and also because you can just use whatever cotton shirt you have in your closet, you can make different bando options, you guys. Hello. And you could always, like, if you have a bigger chest and you couldn't split it into 2 pieces, you could always use that one piece for all of these looks, okay? This time we do want the hems to be at the end here. Okay, here, twist, up, and then layer it on top of each other, okay? Now we've got like a little knot situation up in the top here. Do you see that? Kind of like a headbando, except for we're actually gonna be using this as like a bra. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, so once you adjust it, this is what we have going on. Now, if you do feel like both of the layers layered on top of each other is too thin, what I do is you can tell that one layer, that's, you see this right here, that's layer 1, and then layer 2. So we're kind of doing like a little half boob action there. Okay, now let me show you one last way that I know how to do it. This one was also from TikTok. So this is gonna be too big. It's not gonna work for this. So if you want this to work, I would say get a smaller shirt. But what you're gonna do is wrap it around, seam in the middle. So we have the seam here, go like this, and then twist. And then, you know the shirt, the shirts. Because it's too big, it doesn't fit like snug, obviously. Have my tie here, and we're gonna go ahead and pretend, there you go. Pretend that this is not here. Let me cover this side here. So this is, my tanner's coming off. This is what it would look like without the bottom. There's like only one layer. All the other ones that I made are double layered. So definitely don't go to like a concert or a show or anything because we might have a spill. But if you're gonna do this style, I would definitely say like don't do 2 pieces. Do just one full piece so we can be sure that we're not falling out, you know? So anyways, if this is a type of style that you like, I'd say go a few sizes down and use the whole bottom of the t-shirt just so we make sure that we're double layered and we're nice and secure. Alrighty guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's DIY. It really inspired me to get more creative with the items that I already have, to just try to come up with other ideas, you know? But I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you guys did. And also find me on TikTok because I'm a lot more active on there. And if you haven't checked out my DIY mom's jeans video, definitely check that out. I will be putting it up here at the end of the video and it'll be in the description. So I hope you guys have an amazing day and I will talk to you guys very soon.